My name is Omar Montiel, and I'm a Flexo operator. I've been at Progressive Label Manufacturing for over 7 years. In Progressive Label, we do prime labels, food and beverage, cosmetics, pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, coupons, safety seals. Progressive Label Manufacturing, it's a very friendly place. It's a nice place to work.
Our lead times are like no other. Our service is absolutely incredible. I just don't think there's anybody that can produce a label faster than us. And we're always on the cutting edge of design and manufacturing capabilities. A long time ago, when we started Progressive Label Manufacturing, we started with a little used 910 Mark Andy press. We worked our way up to more Mark Andy equipment, eventually the 8-color 10-inch 2200, which is an absolute beast, really well made, provides us beautiful photographic quality labels. We've had that for several years, and it was time to expand to the P5.
What I like about the P5 and the quality, it's a lot better. It's a great machine. It's just faster. I can get more footage and be efficient.
The P5, which is a UV LED P5, the quality of the P5 print is like no other in the industry. During the expansion of our company, bringing up our capacity by about 4 times, our main goal was to keep our customers happy in the interim of that build-out. Mark Andy made that very, very easy for us, really seamless. We worked with their engineering team and did the layout in a way that really was very little disruption for our customers. Being a manufacturer in California, we always have to be on the cutting edge of the green technology that's coming out. The rules and regulations here are quite stringent. The tone I've set for this company is that we want to be a green company. We want to be environmentally friendly. We don't want to have waste or any types of toxic waste that might hurt the environment. What Mark Andy has done for us is to look at the personality of our company, knowing our expectations of that, and really trying hard to engineer a product that is going to be not only compliant with California regulations, but also with the expectations we have for ourselves to achieve the next level of going green.
I start at 5 in the morning till 1:30 and run the P5. I get everything set up, dies, plates, plate cylinders, mount my plates in a plate mounter, start my job, start my setup, and then start running. It's something that I really like. Ever since I became a printer, it just became a part of me. I love it. I like to get dirty with ink and just print and just become an artist. It's just like becoming an artist.
One of our main goals always has been to over-deliver. That has always been the theme, the personality, and the culture of our company. And the only way to do that is to have the best people and the best technology in place in your factory. I believe with Mark Andy's support, we've reached that level.